Hi and welcome to the short tutorial. In this video I will show you how to do nationality challenge trend on the Instagram. So right now it's very trending on the Instagram. How you can do it, watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure. And if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all, you have to open your Play Store and you have to search for the Faceplay and you will see this type of the application. So you have to download this application from the Play Store. I have already installed it, so I simply open it from here. Once you will open it, you have to add your face and connect it with your Google or with your Facebook to log in it. So once you will do it, here you will see For You features. So before that it was totally free, but now it's very trending, so they made it paid. So a few of the uh, regions like China and other things are free. You can create a video on that. So to create a video, first of all you have to select any video from here, tap on it, and here you have to add a face and then click on the start making. So once you will click on the start making, your video will be start making. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.